this is Jamie from Shanti, and quick tip for you on working with our Harmony Essence. So this is our essence for mind, body, spirit balance. And one of the ways I love to work with this is spray it around you in your workplace. So whether it's your home office or your office somewhere else, with this can help you vibrate in better harmony with not only the people around you, the energy around you, the situation around you, but also even with the electronics and things around you, right? Everything is in a constant state of flux, and when you're able to align with it, you're able to find a better flow and balance. And so when you work with something like harmony, I feel like every other aspect of your life can improve. So if you're looking for one essence that can cater to so many different levels, this would be a really great one, because it's mind, body, spirit. It's getting all aspects of the self moving in the same direction, and then also all aspects of your energy in harmony with that which is around you. So it's harmony within and harmony without, all in one bottle. So that would be our Harmony Essence from Shanti. Thank you very much.